Seed and grain quality plays an important role in the production of agronomic and horticultural crops. But how do we define quality? Industry professionals pay attention to skinning, admixture content, infection, foreign body content, broken grain content, size, and grain type. Better quality means better yields, which equates to better profit margins. Now we understand what seed and grain quality is. How do we measure it? The problem faced by the industry is that many indications to seed and grain defects are invisible to the human eye. So, what is the solution for detecting invisible properties without destroying both the high quality seed and grains as well as the poor quality seed and grains, all while still being time efficient? The answer? Multispectral imaging. Multispectral imaging allows the invisible bands of the electromagnetic spectrum to become visible. These hidden quality indicators become easy to see through multispectral imaging, but highlighting those does not solve the issue of seed and grain quality. We need to be able to see how much of the seed is affected with real numbers and percentages. We need accurate, instant diagnosis of what is affecting the seed. And ideally, we'd want to know all of this for each individual seed and grain that makes up the entire sample, all whilst quantifying how many seeds there are. This is where the Videometer Lab 4 comes in. Not only can it detect, measure and highlight all of the previously mentioned attributes, it can do so in a single image at a touch of a button. The Videometer Lab 4 gathers data from 365nm to 970nm on the electromagnetic spectrum. This means its range includes wavelengths in the ultraviolet, visible and near-infrared bands. Once the data is gathered, the Videometer reports to the software on your computer. There we can identify, analyse and quantify the attributes of the seeds and grains. This example shows the Videometer Lab 4 detecting fusarium infection in seeds. Here we can see the Videometer Lab 4 highlighting the seeds by size. The seeds highlighted in maroon are between 2 to 4mm in size. Those in pink are between 4mm to 6mm, and any seeds above 6mm in size are highlighted in navy blue. We can detect almost any attribute or variable on our sample. Here's another example. This time, the VL4 is distinguishing common wheat from durum wheat. Seed and grain quality needs to be assessed with both research and development and for quality control. Research and development would typically use smaller sample sizes, so the Videometer model seen here would be ideal. However, quality control inspection can require much larger sample sizes to be measured. That's where the Videometer Lab Auto Feeder comes in. The Videometer Lab Auto Feeder allows pre-built calibration models to be loaded and applied to large sample sizes for automated machine vision analysis. The continuous belt allows larger sample sizes to be measured with the same accuracy as a smaller sample size. This makes seed and grain analysis efficient for a wide range of different industries. To recap, the Videometer Lab 4 can optimize seed and grain analysis with multispectral imaging, detecting, measuring and quantifying any attribute of the sample. It caters for both small sample sizes and large sample sizes, thereby maximising efficiency and profitability.